All right, here's the deal. You've been thinking about creating an online course for some time now, right? Yeah, right. I totally get it. But you don't know where to start. Well, I get it. It can be a bit overwhelming to think about creating a course from scratch, not to mention all the work that it takes to record the video, to record the audio, to edit the videos, to create the slides, create the transcripts, design the landing page. You could be going crazy. It's okay. I'm here to help. In this post, we're going to walk through the process of creating an online course in less than a week. And I'm going to show you the types of content to include, the delivery methods, and some tools that you're going to need, and tips on how to market your online course. All right, now before we get started, let's chat about why you want to create an online course. Because when it comes to online courses, there are a few reasons why you want to create an online course. The first is to share your knowledge, right? You have a superpower. You have the knowledge that that superpower holds, that you want, heck, that you even need to share with the world. To share your knowledge and expertise with the world, you need to package it into digestible and a sellable format. Why you want to create a course? Well, you want to generate an additional income stream. Perhaps you want to generate an additional income stream by selling your course. You can do this by setting it up as a passive income, right? You can set up as passive income business. This will also, think about this, help you build your email list, since you could use your course in whole or in part as a lead magnet to build your list. How many times have we heard that the money is in the list? Yeah. You want to create a course to build authority. One of the best ways to build your authority in your field is to teach what you know, to share your superpower. When you create an online course, you're putting yourself out there as an expert in the field. In addition, your potential students will see that you are an expert, and they'll be far more likely to buy your course as well as your other offers. You want to create a course to provide valuable content to your audience. That's right. When you create an online course, you are providing valuable content for your audience. Not only are you teaching something new to them, but you're also giving them a way to learn at their own pace, in their own time. This, my friend, is a valuable service that can help your audience achieve their goals with your guidance at their own pace. You want to create an online course to create that passive income stream. And we kind of mentioned this one a little bit earlier. I'm going to repeat it again. When you create this online course, you're creating a passive income stream. This is a great way to make money while you sleep, right? How many times have you heard that? How many of us want to do that? It can also help you build your business even further. Moreover, when you create an online course, you're putting yourself out there as the expert in field, as I just mentioned, and this can once again help you attract new students and new customers into your business. Now, if any of these reasons resonate with you, keep listening, because we're about ready to teach you how to create that online course in less than a week. Now, first off, the question is going to be, what kind of content do you want to include? Well, when you're creating an online course, you're going to need to include a variety of content in order to reach a variety of students. People have different learning modalities, right? And to teach them everything that they need to know. The content is going to need to include lectures. You can create these lectures as audios, as videos, but you're going to want to create these lectures to teach your students what they need to know. Again, they could be PowerPoint presentations, audio recordings, or even video recordings. And then transcripts. It's a great idea to include transcripts of these lectures so the students can read them if that's what their preferred modality, or if they want to reference that material offline. You'll want to include study guides. Along with your lectures and your transcripts, you're going to want to create study guides the students use as reference material. These guides help your students stay on track, and really, I think more so, it allows them to make use of the course material even better, right? They make the most out of it. And here's another thing. If you'll notice, you're going to keep creating various pieces of content from your core lectures. You're going to take your core lecture, turn it into a transcript. Take your core lecture, turn it into a study guide. Take your core lecture, all right, and turn it into an assessment, which is our next one. To ensure your students are learning, you're going to want to create assessments to test their knowledge, to test what it is they're learning. These assessments can come in the form of polls, quizzes, exams, and of course, tests. Now, the last thing I think you need to include are group live streams to ensure your students are not only learning, but also leveraging their new knowledge. You can have group live streams. This is where you can combine a condensed refresher of the content you've already taught them. Even if you're drip feeding, you can do a condensed refresher of recent learnings, share the most frequently asked questions, and warn them of potential pitfalls. Now, remember, periodically, or preferably most folks would do it towards the end of a line stream, to have a Q&A session. Not so much just to answer their questions, which is very important, but because you want to listen to your audience. Here, you'll learn a vast amount of valuable tips to improve your course, to give them a better experience. Or perhaps you'll even learn a whole new line of course content that your current students are already hungry for. Now, let's get to delivery methods. Now, in delivery methods, you're going to have a couple of different options. Really, you're going to have basic two in the big scheme of things. We'll put them into two chunks. One is self-hosted, the other is hosted solutions. Self-hosted, if you want complete control over your course, you're going to choose to self-host it. Now, that means you're going to be responsible for the creation and the management of the course yourself. While this option, it can be a little bit more work, especially until you get used to it, it also gives you the most flexibility and far more control over your course content and its presentation. Now, hosted solutions on the other side of the coin. If you don't want to deal with all the hassles of creating and managing your own course, you can choose the hosted solution. These solutions will host your course for you and provide all the necessary tools and features. Now, I say all the necessary tools and features. Not all of them provide all the tools or all the features. Sometimes you'll be robbed of one or the other. Now, it is a great option if you don't want to deal with the technical aspects of creating and managing your course. Now, I use a program called Course Funnels for my courses, and I highly recommend it. It's not only a course content container and organizer, but it also comes with an entire suite of course marketing tools. Reach out to me if you want more information about that. However, once again, if you're not into wanting to deal with the details that go into self-hosting, which Course Funnels is, I recommended a hosting solution such as Teachable or Thinkific or Udemy. There's a whole host of them out there. These solutions provide you everything you need to create and manage your online course. And they're all pretty easy to use. Moreover, they all come with a variety of features you want to check out to see which ones are best for you. But all of them can help you create a successful online course. Now, you got your course. Now you need to market it. Let me give you a few tips for marketing and selling your online course. Once you've created your online course, it's important to market it. It's important to sell it. Otherwise, why'd you create it in the first place, right? So, first thing, you got to have a good landing page. I know. I don't know how to create a landing, but hold on. Your first step is to create a landing page for your course. This page is going to include information about your course, the benefits of taking your course, and how they sign up for it. Make sure this page is informative and easy to navigate, right? Otherwise, you're just going to go away. And don't give them 87 options. Say, do you want to buy it or not? Do you want to try it out for a trial or just buy it, right? Make it simple, but make it easy to navigate while being informative. You'll want to promote your course on social media, right? This is a great opportunity. Make sure you promote it on social media. And again, what you're going to do here is you're going to use snippets from your course, reusing the content, right? Repurposing that same content. This will help you reach a wider audience and attract new students. You can use images, videos, and text to promote your course on social media. But make sure it's that the really good, juicy stuff that's going to hook them and bring them in. You can also use paid advertising. Now, if you want to reach a wider audience far quicker, paid advertising is the way to go. It's certainly going to help you reach more and more people in a far shorter period of time. Paid advertising will definitely condense time for you. However, you want to be sure that you target your ads correctly so that you ensure you're reaching the right people. A great tactic also is to offer a coupon code, good for for a certain period of time. This is going to tempt your potential students to sign up for your course. Right, the code will give them a discount on the course price, and you can use any reason for a discount. Black Friday, it's Halloween, Christmas is coming, New Year's, Mother's Day, it's my birthday, it's just Tuesday, whatever it is. Anyway, it's a great way to sweeten the deal and get more people interested in your course. Now, I just rattled those off pretty fast. Those are a few tips on how to market and sell your course online. By using these tips, you'll be able to reach more people and increase the enrollment of your course. Here's a secret little tip. Shh. Don't tell anybody. Okay. This is a tip I share with my students, and that is pre-selling your course before you even start writing the first word of content. In my course, I teach you how to validate and pre-sell your course before you even start any work. Quite often, you go into creating your content already knowing what it is they want and having multiple people already have paid for it. Now, let's wrap this up. Creating an online course is a great way to share your knowledge. It's a great way to share your expertise with the world. And by using the tips we just chatted about, you can create a course that is informative and easy to navigate using the tools self-hosted or being hosted by others. Oh my God, I drew a complete blank there. Be sure to promote your course on social media via paid advertising so that you can reach that wide audience. Use a landing page that provides information on your course and offers potential students maybe a discount code. Let's talk about pre-selling. These are just a few tips on how to quickly get your course up and running in a really short period of time, market it, and sell it effectively. By the way, I know I never mentioned this. I've heard to give you value first. I'm Tracy Brinkman. I help coaches and course creators to build a business online so they can create the freedom that they want without having to battle technology and overwhelm and procrastination or even imposter syndrome, right? And we do this via a matrix method that anyone can follow and take action on. Now, if you're interested in learning more about online courses, I have a free podcast series that you'll probably find very helpful. In the Dark Horse Entrepreneur Podcast, I'll show you how to create and market your own online course. The podcast is free, and it's a great way to learn more about the process. Moreover, you'll get to see firsthand how I create and market my own courses, as well as other online content. The link to the podcast is going to be down in the show notes down below. Alternatively, hang on with me if you're still here. You can continue to join me right here for the next video. Just make sure you hit the subscribe button down below this video so you don't miss it as soon as it comes out. Finally, if you want access to the show notes for this episode or a set of strategies that could be worth thousands of dollars to your business, just comment Success Formula down below in the comments, and I'll get you access to the Dark Horse Success Formula. See, here's the deal. Most entrepreneurs leave big profits on the table because these profits, they lay hidden and often untapped in magic numbers of their business. Do you want to know how to unlock these profits? Yeah. The guide called the Dark Horse Success Formula will show you how to unlock those profits. You're not going to find a better or more affordable way to discover these secrets. We're talking free here, all right? So just comment Success Formula down below. All right, with that, I'm going to leave you as I always do. Think successfully and take action.